Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Haris Daniel bin Muhammad Nazri. So, I will start with our topic is impact of cost management practice on oil and gas project accounts. So, for our case study is Kashagan oil field, which is in Kazakhstan. Uh, so, located in northern Caspian Sea, Kazakhstan, 80 km offshore from Atriyau, one of the largest oil field discovery in 30th year. So the initially budget at 10 billion pound, but the actually cost exceed 50 billion pound. Operated by North Caspian. So for cost management strategies, first is modular construction, which is prefabrication reduce offshore labor costs and delays. Then real-time data and predictive modeling enable proactive budget control. Next is integrated cost control system. And the last one is scenario planning and contingency budgeting. So for the challenges faced is severe cost overruns, then extreme climate, next coordination issue within multinational consortium, then strict environmental regulation, and the last one is major safety risks.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hamzah bin Muhammad Wasan. So today I want to present about the finding objective 1. So the finding objective 1 is the key cost management practices commonly implemented in the oil and gas projects. So why cost management matters? Oil and gas projects are big, expensive and face many risks like price change, technical problems and delays. Good cost management is need to keep them on budget and on time. Second is key cost management practices. Common practices include accurate cost estimation, clear budgeting, strict cost control, risk management, value engineering, and regular cost monitoring. Number three is modern best practices and benefits. Using cost management software and involving stakeholders early helps avoid cost overruns and delays. These practices make projects more financially sustainable and successful. The last is why this is important. These practices help project managers, contractors, and policymakers make oil and gas projects more financially sustainable and profitable, both in developing and developing countries.
My name is Alesha Mira binti Zainuddin and I will continue on the findings for Objective 2. The Kashagan project faced major technical and environmental challenges. High levels of hydrogen sulfide in the gas led to severe pipeline corrosion, known as sulfide stress corrosion cracking, which required full pipeline replacement. The extreme climate in the Caspian Sea, especially freezing temperature and sea ice, forced costly redesign and slowed construction. On the operational side, a major pipeline failure in 2013 halted production and caused significant financial loss. Procurement inefficiencies and frequent scope changes disrupted progress and increased costs. Meanwhile, poor coordination among multinational partners led to conflicting decisions and slow approval, further complicating the project execution.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nusabrina binti Muhammad Razali. So I will explain about why cost control failed. Failure to undertake proper yearly feasibility result in initial cost estimating to be incorrect. Further, lack of proper integrated governance and proactive stakeholder engagement resulted in even the most advanced cost control system falling short. Therefore, the case study illustrates how real site conditions such as unfavorable environments, poorly aligned government institutions, and inadequate planning system undermine the efficiency of cost management in practice. So, methods like FEL, live data monitoring, and scenario planning must be used from the start. The project also identifies the importance of good communication and combined cost control system, particularly in addressing multiple international stakeholders.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Siti Nasha binti Hanafi. So I will present about recommended cost management practices. Effective cost management is critical for oil and gas projects to ensure on time, on budget and high quality delivery. Three key strategies stand out. First is modular construction. Fabricating components off-site reduces offshore labor dependency, minimize weather delays and improve safety. For example, the Kashagan project successfully used modularization to overcome extreme ice conditions. Second is predictive modeling and real-time data analytics. Continuous monitoring helps detect deviations early, allowing proactive adjustments. This data-driven approach improves forecasting for supply chain and design risks. Finally, is integrated cost management systems. Centralized dashboards enhance collaboration between finance, procurement, and construction teams, speeding up approvals and increasing transparency. By adopting these practices, projects can achieve better cost control, schedulability, and operational efficiency. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Anisa Shakirin. So I'll be continuing on presenting for findings of Objective 3. Now moving on to the second slide. This highlights the strategic benefits of the recommended cost management practices in the previous slides, and we can learn from the Kashigan case study. Firstly, one of the key benefits is enhanced financial discipline. With tools like real-time data analytics and integrated dashboards, project teams can detect cost deviations earlier and manage contingency budgets more effectively. This helps prevent overspending and supports better financial forecasting. Secondly, these practices allow for improved decision-making. When accurate, up-to-date information is available, project managers can respond faster to disruptions, whether it's a supply chain delay, design change, or labor issue. And lastly, there is a greater project resilience. This means the ability to adapt quickly to unexpected events like weather, scope changes, or technical problems. For example, in the Kashigan project, modular construction allowed the team to overcome harsh offshore conditions without affecting the overall schedule too severely. But one of the most important lessons from the case study is that technology alone is not enough. Despite using BIM, analytics, and modular design, Kashigan still face cost overruns due to poor early planning and weak risk assessment. This tells us that digital tools must be supported by strong governance, early feasibility studies, and stakeholder coordination. So, in summary, these practices work best when applied together, with both technology and planning in place. This integrated approach is essential for improving project delivery in the Malaysian oil and gas sector.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Naimuddin bin Muhammad Rizuddin. So, in the conclusion, from our case study on the Kashigan oil field, we've learned that even with advanced tools like real-time monitoring and modular construction, the cost management can still fail if there are poor planning and weak coordination. The project went way over budget from 10 million USD to more than 15 million. That mainly because of the early planning mistakes, technical challenge, and lack of strong teamwork. However, we also found that when the cost management strategy like risk assessment, stakeholder involvement, and clear communication are used from the start, they can really help to improve the project outcome. So it is not just about using the latest technology, but also combining it with proper planning and collaboration. So this lesson are important for the future oil and gas project, so that we can avoid the same mistakes and achieve better result in the term of cost, time, and safety. Is all for me. Thank you.